Okay. So, listening and writing. گوش کردن و نوشتن. My hometown. Listen to Ben. He lives in Cape Town. Tick the things he talks about. باید علامت بزنیم در مورد چیزایی که صحبت میکنن. His job, seafood. His brother, sunbathing. The weather, his girlfriend. Boulders Beach, football. His friends, French food. Kite surfing, penguins. If you don't understand any words, you can ask now.
Kite surfing استاد.
Kite surfing, as you see here in the picture, this is called kite surfing. حالا اسمشو واقعا نمیشه، نمیدونم به فارسی چی میشه گفت. با همین چی میگن، چترها روی دریا چیکار میکنن؟ موج سواری میکنن، بهش میگن کایت سرفینگ. Okay, anything else? Okay.
استاد anything else یعنی چی؟
Anything else؟ چیز دیگه ای؟
اوکی.
Anything else? Okay, so I played for you. اگه صدا نیومد خبر بدین که من درستش بکنم.
Eight point three. Then 8.9, 8.10, 8.11.
Okay, do you hear the listening?
Yes.
Okay, good. So be prepared. آماده باشین and take note, please. Or just stick here.
My hometown.
Hi, my name's Ben and I live in Cape Town. I'm a DJ at a local radio station in the centre of the city, but I live near Boulders Beach, one of the best beaches in Cape Town. I have a small apartment near there. Cape Town is an amazing city. It's really cosmopolitan. People from all over the world live and work here. Every Friday, after work, I meet my friends at the waterfront, and we go to one of the restaurants there. We often have seafood. It's my favourite. I just love fresh seafood. The weather's great. It's warm nearly all year round. I know it's sometimes windy, and some people don't like the wind, but I love it because I love kite surfing. My job's really exciting, but sport is my passion. I love sport. And Cape Town is good for so many sports because of the weather. I run every weekend with my dog, Oscar. I'm a member of the Sumner Running Club. We have the Boulders Beach 10-kilometre run next Sunday. It's a great run with amazing views. In the summer, when it's windy, I go kite surfing with my brother Pete. It's fantastic fun. I sometimes go cycling with my friends, Kerry and Roger, on Sunday. We often cycle by the sea and watch the penguins. Cape Town is just a beautiful place. Great scenery, great weather and great food. I'm very lucky.
Okay, did you understand everything?
استاد میشه دوباره بذاریش؟
Sure. Okay, but just tell me who listened to these tracks or audios or listenings before the class. کی گوش کردن اینها رو قبل از کلاس؟ به من بگن. کی انجام دادن قبل کلاس؟ این رو هیچ کس گوش نکرده بود؟ Nobody. هیچ کس واقعا؟ That's not good.
8.11 My hometown.
Hi, my name's Ben and I live in Cape Town. I'm a DJ at a local radio station in the centre of the city, but I live near Boulders Beach, one of the best beaches in Cape Town. I have a small apartment near there. Cape Town is an amazing city. It's really cosmopolitan. People from all over the world live and work here. Every Friday, after work, I meet my friends at the waterfront, and we go to one of the restaurants there. We often have seafood. It's my favourite. I just love fresh seafood. The weather's great. It's warm nearly all year round. I know it's sometimes windy, and some people don't like the wind, but I love it because I love kite surfing. My job's really exciting, but sport is my passion. I love sport. And Cape Town is good for so many sports because of the weather. I run every weekend with my dog, Oscar. I'm a member of the Sumner Running Club. We have the Boulders Beach 10-kilometre run next Sunday. It's a great run with amazing views. In the summer, when it's windy, I go kite surfing with my brother Pete. It's fantastic fun. I sometimes go cycling with my friends, Kerry and Roger, on Sunday. We often cycle by the sea and watch the penguins. Cape Town is just a beautiful place. Great scenery, great weather and great food. I'm very lucky.
اوکی. از این به بعد فقط یه دفعه پلی میکنم دیگه. اون دیگه دست خودتون که میخواین شما قبل از کلاس گوش بکنین یا نکنین. داخل کلاس دیگه بیشتر از یه دفعه پلی نمیشه، مگر اینکه مثل این حالا 2 تا 3 تا مثلا گذاشته باشه. یکی اینجا سلام پلی میشه، یه دفعه پایین پلی میشه کلا 2 دفعه. ولی دیگه بیشتر پلی نمیکنم. اوکی. who can tell me
در مورد شغلش گفت his job.
he talked about his job. Okay.
Yes. She's DJ. Favorite food is seafood.
Okay, he talked about his favorite food. Okay.
Fresh food فکر کنم. و در مورد برادر
French food.
در مورد برادرش هم
he talked
he
also
talked about
his brother
and yes, Cap it has the good weather.
Cape Town has the good weather and it's windy. Okay.
در مورد دوست دخترش his girlfriend I don't know.
Okay.
Beach. Boulders Beach.
He talks about Boulders Beach.
گفت حالا نمیدونم دقیقا اینو گفت یا چیز دیگه.
Okay. You're not sure.
Football I don't know. No. His friend. He talked about his friend and kite surfing and visit the penguin.
Okay.
Watching the penguin.
And penguins. So about the Boulder Beach, you are not sure about football? He didn't talk about French food.
No. French food. فکر کنم گفت نه نگفت.
Okay.
نه نگفت. در مورد فوتبال هم صحبت نکرد. رانینگ.
من که خودم مشغول بودم نه گوش نکردم دقیق، ولی مشکلی نیست. حالا پایین باز یه بار دیگه گوش میکنیم و باز چک میکنم که بالا در مورد چی صحبت کردیم. Okay, listen again and answer the questions. So please take note. Where does Ben live? کجا زندگی میکنه؟ Where does he work? Is his apartment big? What is his favorite food? Why does he like the wind? Does he have a pet? What sports does he like? When and where does he cycles? کجاها دوچرخه سواری میکنه. So is there any word that you don't know? Is there any unknown word for you? So you understand everything here. So let's get it.
استاد این بالا که ردیف اول ساند بثینگ چی میشه؟
سان باتین گفتم آفتاب گرفتن. حالا اینجا که باتین میشه حموم کردن، ولی در کل آفتاب گرفتن میشه.
اوکی.
8.11 My hometown.
Hi, my name's Ben and I live in Cape Town. I'm a DJ at a local radio station in the centre of the city, but I live near Boulders Beach, one of the best beaches in Cape Town. I have a small apartment near there. Cape Town is an amazing city. It's really cosmopolitan. People from all over the world live and work here. Every Friday, after work, I meet my friends at the waterfront, and we go to one of the restaurants there. We often have seafood. It's my favourite. I just love fresh seafood. The weather's great. It's warm nearly all year round. I know it's sometimes windy, and some people don't like the wind, but I love it because I love kite surfing. My job's really exciting, but sport is my passion. I love sport. And Cape Town is good for so many sports because of the weather. I run every weekend with my dog, Oscar. I'm a member of the Sumner Running Club. We have the Boulders Beach 10-kilometre run next Sunday. It's a great run with amazing views. In the summer, when it's windy, I go kite surfing with my brother Pete. It's fantastic fun. I sometimes go cycling with my friends, Kerry and Roger, on Sunday. We often cycle by the sea and watch the penguins. Cape Town is just a beautiful place. Great scenery, great weather and great food. I'm very lucky.
Yeah, he's lucky. Okay, so who can tell me? So I ask, first of all, خانم اسما, please tell me, where does Ben live?
He's living Cape Town.
In Cape Town. He is living in Cape Town, or you can just simply say he lives in Cape Town. He lives in Cape Town. The next one, خانم حسیبا, could you tell me, where does he work?
His job is DJ and he works in center city.
He lives in the So he works in the center of the city or city center. Okay. and also he works in a radio station. He works in a radio station
Yeah.
in
Local radio
local
station.
radio station. Yeah, that's right. Really popular local radio station and in city center or center of the city. Center of the city. City Cape Town. City. Okay. Is his apartment big? So I didn't understand it because I was working. But is his apartment big, خانم مهری?
No, it isn't. It's small.
It is small. Thank you. The next one. Small. Why my writing is so? خانم سارا. What is his favorite food?
His favorite food, seafood, French seafood.
Fresh. Not
Fresh?
French, yeah.
Ah,
So, as you see,
okay.
in the test, for example, they also bring the words that they are similar to each other. And if you don't pay attention carefully, so you will miss the point, and so you don't understand it. کلمه‌ای میاد که خیلی واقعا شبیه همه دیگه داخل امتحان، یا اکثرا در مورد همه پوینت ها صحبت میکنن، ولی مثلا میگه که حالا کدوم اتوبوس رو برمی‌داره یارو مثلا سوار میشه، تو گزینه‌ها هست مثلا اتوبوس 5 6 7. داخل متن میاد میگه که مثلا 6 داره اینجا میره، 7 اینجا میره، ولی تو 8 رو بگیر. 8 میاد اینجا. پس اینا رو باید خیلی حواستون باشه که گیج نشین. اوکی. fresh seafood. Okay, the next one. Why does he like the wind? خانم یلدا.
اصلا میگه که چرا دوست داره بادو؟
Yeah.
نمیدونم استاد چی گفت.
Okay, who can tell me? Who can tell us? What is the reason? خانم حسیبا.
Yes, she like the windy because he can do kite surfing.
Okay. Yes. So here is the WH question. Why? And we should not answer with yes or no. It's not a yes or no question. سوالشون yes or بله نیست. Why? Because
she can do kite surfing. He can't.
She can do, yeah. So اولش که مرده درسته. He can do kite surfing. اگر که حالا در نظر بگیریم kite surfing, he can do kite surfing. با دو به نظرم درست میاد، ولی من داخل listening دقیق نشدم که فعلش رو چی استفاده کرد، اما surfing خودش فعل هست. I surf on the sea.
love استفاده کرده.
نه love که دوست داشتنه. حالا اگر love استفاده کردم بازم به درد ما نمیخوره. اینجا باید فعل همین انجام دادنه باشه که کایت سرفینگ میکنه. حالا دو هم میشه، ولی he surfs kite surfing. نه همون دو خوبه حالا فعلا. حالا بازم یه
اصلا he likes kite surfing مگه نمیشه؟
because he likes kite surfing. اوکی. اما این که حالا بگیم چون که بادی هست و این بالاخره رو آب کایت سرفینگ میکنه بهتره.
نمیتونیم بگیم because he can surfing.
he can kite surfing. به نظرم خودش فعل باشه. کلا حرف صحبتمون در مورد این فعل بودنشه. اوکی. But leave it. It's not really important. خیلی مهم نیست. باز یه دفعه دیگه گوش بکنیم ببینیم چی در میاریم از آخرش. حالا منم دو می‌نویسم ولی نمیدونم درسته یا نه. Let's see. Okay, next one. Does he have a pet? خانم اسما.
Yes, he do.
Yes, he does.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell us, so what kind of pet does he have? What kind of pet? What kind of animal is it? Is it a cat? Is it a rabbit? Is it a what is it?
Is it dog?
It is a dog. So he has a dog. Good. Okay, what sports does he like? The next one خانم علیزاده حسیبا.
اصلا قسمتش خوب متوجه نشدم. فقط گفت همه ورزش‌ها رو دوست داره.
Okay, it is also an answer. That's also good. خانم
Likes
مهری.
every sport.
That's good. Yeah. خانم مهری, can you name the sports?
Running.
The first one was running. Anything else?
کایت سرفینگ هم میشه دیگه فکر میکنم.
Kite surfing. من واقعا اسپلینگم خیلی ضعیف شده. Okay. Anything else? چیز دیگه ای هست؟
سایکلینگ هم میشه گفت استاد به عنوان
سایکلینگ هم
ورزش.
دقیقاً بود. یک دیگه چیز دیگه هم هست باشه ببینیم چی نوشتم. Kite surfing, running and yeah, cycling. These three are his favorite sports. چرا کایت سرفینگ من اشتباه گرفته؟ But that's correct. Okay. So when and where does he cycle? خانم سارا.
استاد نمیدونم.
Okay, I don't know. خانم یلدا.
بولدرز بیچ چی استاد؟
Okay,
نه
yeah.
نمیدونم استاد.
He cycles by the sea. By the sea یعنی کنار دریا. حالا مهم نیست که کدوم دریا هست. من چیزی که فهمیدم by the sea گفت. By the sea and when کی ها؟
Sunday.
Sundays یعنی همیشه. Okay. So he talked about his job, about seafood, about his brother. He didn't talk about sunbathing. He talked about the weather. He didn't talk about his girlfriend. He talked about Boulder's Beach also because it was the most famous, I think, beach in his town. He didn't talk about football. He talked about his friends because they go cycling every Sundays by sea. He didn't talk about French food, but he talked about fresh foods. Kite surfing he talked, and also he talked about penguins. Good. Next one. Listen to 4 conversation with Ben. Complete the table. خب این جلسه گفتم حالا 2 دفعه‌ای اگه خواستیم پلی میشه، اما از جلسه‌های بعد دیگه ان شاءالله فقط هر دیگه لسنینگ یه دفعه پلی میشه.
8.12. Who is it?
Listen to 4 conversation with Ben. Complete the table. Where is Ben? Who is he talking to? Ben کجا هست و داره با کی صحبت میکنه؟ 4 نفر رو باید بنویسید. 4 تا مکان و 4 نفر.
1.
Good morning, Cape Town. How are you all on another lovely sunny day? This is Ben Smith on Radio Cape. Hello to our first caller this morning. It's Kate. Hi, Kate. How are you today?
Hi, Ben. I'm good, thanks. I'm so happy I'm on your radio show.
Okay, it was the first one.
2.
Good evening, everyone. Can I take your order?
Good evening. The oysters, please, with a tomato salad.
Anything to drink?
Yeah, a beer, please.
Yeah. Beers all round.
Yeah.
3.
Wow, Pete! It's so windy. Look at the sea and the waves.
Yeah, it's a great day for it.
I'm ready. Let's go. Let's get down to the beach.
4,
Come on, guys. We're nearly at the top.
Wow, look at the view from here. And look at the penguins.
They're so funny.
They're great. I love watching them.
Okay, did you understand all?
Yeah, just I don't understand number 1.
Number 1. So, okay. The other persons, بقیه چی؟ The others, did you understand?
مکان نمیگفت.
نفهمیدم خانم آسیبا؟
میگم مکانهای خاصی رو نمیگفت.
Now you have to
میگم همش
guess.
کنار دریا.
You have to guess, yeah. Mostly
خودمون.
they were, yeah. By the sea.
اوکی.
Anything else? فقط مکان آخری رو به نظرم باید بریم تو لسنینگ قبلی گوش بکنیم. منم نفهمیدم. Anything else? So you don't need to play it again, yeah? One time was enough.
8.11. My
Beautiful place. We often cycle by the sea and watch the penguins. Cape Town is just a beautiful...
Okay, so now the last one is also I don't know. So the first one, where is Ben and who is talking to? Who can tell me? خانم اسما first.
توی با کیت صحبت میکرد.
با کیت صحبت میکرد.
توی برنامه رادیویی بود.
Radio show.
رادیو شو.
Or in radio station. He was in radio station. That's correct.
استاد خانم مهدی گفتن لوکال استیشن رادیو، اون چی میشه معنیش؟ اون اول لوکالی که اول اومد.
لوکال میشه محلی. یعنی فقط داخل محل خودشون پخش میشه. بیرون از شهرشون پخش نمیشه.
اوکی.
Okay, the next one, number 2, خانم حسیبا, could you tell me where is Ben and who's talking to?
اصلا دومی رو من اصلا متوجه نشدم ولی سومی رو فهمیدم.
The second one was really easy, I think. Who can tell me the second one?
Restaurant with a server.
Sure.
No, I think in the club.
He was in the club, but I think he was in the restaurant.
8.12.
Good evening, everyone. Can I take your order?
Good evening. The oysters, please, with a tomato salad.
Tomato salad is not in the club. So he is in restaurants, as you know.
رودا.
And who is he talking to?
رودا. یک آقای هندی بود. رودا گفت یا رودا؟
اسمش گفت بچه‌ها؟
He's the waiter.
I think, yeah. I didn't hear, or I don't remember any name. So I think he is talking to a waiter. Waiter, garçon.
Radio show.
اصلا سرور هم نمیشه؟ یا اشتباهی کلا؟
سرور نه، سرور مال
اوکی.
سرور فارسی اونم سرور میشه.
Good evening, everyone. Can I take your order?
Good evening. The oysters, please, with a tomato salad.
Anything to drink?
Yeah, a beer, please.
Yeah. Beers all round.
Yeah.
So he doesn't say his name, so he's just waiter. The third one, where is he on? The third one, خانم مهری گفتن، بعد از خانم مهری خانم سارا. خانم سارا.
بله استاد. I think he he is on the beach. آره.
He
He
is
were
on
on the
the
beach
beach. What should I write?
with his friends.
By sea. Yeah. With Pet. His name is Pet. با دوستش بود. Pet.
استاد تو سی نبودن؟
نه اصلا کنار بیچ بودن. on the beach.
By sea.
بعدیش
حالا
بیچ نمیشه؟
by sea
بعدش هم دوباره
چهارمی میشه بیچ به نظرم. یه جایی که حالا با پنگوانا سر کار داره. من خواستم قبلی رو رسنینگ قبلی گوش بکنم ببینم کجا با پنگوانا سر کار داشت. یه چیزی نفهمیدم ولی همون بازم بیچ یا سی میشه دیگه. Is it correct؟ حالا ما بیچ می‌نویسیم. بعدی و با کی صحبت می‌کرد؟
استاد من یه گایز شنیدم دیگه نمیدونم کی بود.
به چه کسایی میگن گایز؟ به دوستاش. Friends, his friends.
به دوستاش دیگه. Friends.
That's correct. Okay. Talking about you. این باشه دیگه اینو خودتون صحبت بکنین داخل گروه. In groups talk about your hometown. Where do you live? کجا زندگی میکنین؟ What is there in your town? داخل شهرتون چه چیزا هست؟ And what do you do there with your friends? Where do you go shopping? How do you travel? Is it a good place to live or no? اینو با هم دیگه صحبت بکنیم. So for example, I live in Darmstadt. So and in my city, so for example, there are a lot of places to go for shopping. We have a lot of good places to play football. There are big stores. You can buy everything. So for example, and also what do you do there with your friends? We go mostly in the clubs and also in parks. Where do you go shopping? So I said, so there are a lot of big stores and markets. How do you travel? We travel mostly by trains. And also there are a lot of buses. But as I said before, so I don't want to talk here. But so yeah, there is train and also buses. There are trains. Is it a good place to live? I think Darmstadt is a good place to live, but it is somehow crowded and live a lot of people in the city. Somehow, sometimes it could be annoying, but yeah, it is better than most places in the country. So like this, you can talk about your city or anything else you want to add, you can add. Okay, about writing. Write about a town you know. یه شهری که میدونین you have to write. So for example, where is it? When to visit? What to do? Where to eat? Where to stay? How to travel? And you can also use these expressions or these sentences to complete your text. For example, the city, for example, France is a town in France میگم Paris. Sorry. Paris is a town in France. The best time to visit is, for example, in the summer. Why? Because the weather is really nice, good. And also what to do. Go to the, for example, English garden, and there are a lot of nice places and green places. So for example, I don't have an idea, so what to do. Okay, there are good where to eat. There are good restaurants in a restaurant name or a place. My favorite restaurant is the name of the restaurant, and you can also say the reason why do you like that restaurant. So for example, it serves everyday fresh foods, and also they, for example, cook the best meat in the town or anything else you want. Where to stay. If you stay, for example, in a hotel, it is expensive. And also if you want to stay in a cheap hotel, you can stay in a, and you can say a name of a hotel that is cheap. How to travel? The best way to see the town is, for example, by airplane, or you can come to the town with the train or bus or a personal car also you can say. So the first one talking about you, it is your کلا به آلمانی قاطی میکنم. So it is your اینکه homework نمیشه group activity. You can do it in your with your partner in the group session, in the speaking session, and also but it is your homework and you have to write it and you have to send it to me tomorrow before the class. Okay, read your description to your partner. اینو حالا باز میخونیم با هم دیگه که هیچی نوشتیم. میتونیم که بخونیم بعد. Next page, it is about everyday English. Everyday English یعنی انگلیسی که روزانه آدم استفاده میکنه ازش. Find the places on the map. So you have to watch closely the map and you have to tell me which one is where. اینجوری خیلی کوچیک میشه. Okay, hotel. Can anybody tell me where is hotel? Do we have any hotel here? Yeah, Sea View Hotel, okay? So the hotel is here. Bank. Bank is here. Yeah, I found it. Chemists. Chemists, منظورش چیه؟ What does it mean, chemists?
Chemist.
Pharmacy, داروخونه, yeah? Chemists, I think. What is pub? Does anybody have any idea what is pub?
پاپ استاد اینورتر از همون داروخونه است ولی پاپ چیه؟
Yeah. So I'm also asking. Does anybody know what is pub? Okay, I'm asking the artificial intelligence about pub. Public house. به مکانی گفته میشد که مردم برای نوشیدن، غذا خوردن و معاشرت به آن میروند. Okay. So it is pub. Public house. Oh my god. Railway station. Railway station is here. The beach cafe. So it must be here, for example. Beach cafe, cinema. So you can find in this picture. So we talk about later. What is a square? Can anybody tell me what is a square? What does a square means?
میدان.
میدان. So where is that? کجای اینجا؟ میدون نداریم اینجا. میدون باید گرد باشه.
استاد نوشته اسکوئر شاپ. یا من چشمم درست نمیبینه.
Souvenir
Sewer.
shop. Souvenir
shop.
But a square, do we have any square? Square, I'm not sure. Okay, leave it behind. News agents. News agents, you know, yeah? News agents, what does it mean? معنی news agent چیه؟
مربوط به روزنامه اینا میشه؟
درسته؟ بخش همون مدیریت اخبار اینا میشه به نظرم. Okay, church. What does church mean?
کلیسا.
Supermarket, you know. Football stadium, you know. campsite بخش کم کردن. restaurant surf school آموزشگاه موج سواری. fish and chip shop garden center and souvenir shop. What does it mean? souvenir shop. Can anybody tell me what does it mean?
مغازه سوغاتی فروشی؟
Yeah, that's
یا
correct. That's correct. souvenir shop مغازه سوغاتی یا سوغاتی فروشی در کل. Okay. What do the signs mean? این علامت ها نشونش چیه؟ یا چی میگن؟ معنیشون چیه؟ turn right, go straight on, turn left. turn right کدومه؟ A, B, C? B, go straight,
مستقیم C.
turn left.
بعدی هم A.
Okay. Listen to the direction. Start from you are here on the map. Follow the directions. Where are you? و گوش میکنی سمت چپ و راست بهت حالا داخل چیزی میگه، یعنی منظورش اینه که کجا باید بری. اوکی؟ فقط چند تا دایرکشن میگه، شما حدس بزنین که به کجا ختم میشه. نمیدونم چیکار کنم این همه بیاد. اوکی. اگر کوچیکه که دیگه شما به بزرگیتون ببخشید.
8.13 Directions 1.
Go up the high street, turn right into Station Road. It's on the right next to the Italian restaurant.
2.
Go up the high street, turn right at the supermarket into Sandown Road, and it's on the left next to the fish and chip shop.
3.
Go up the high street, turn left at the church into Sandown Road, go straight down and turn right into Coastal Road. It's on the right next to the Seaview Hotel.
4.
Go straight on up the high street for 5 minutes and it's in Kerdden Square. It's a big building on the right.
5.
Go up the high street, turn left into Station Road, then turn right into Coastal Road and it's on the right next to the Beach Cafe.
6.
Go straight on up the high street, turn left into Dean Road and it's on your left opposite the campsite.
Okay. Did you understand everything?
No.
It is really, I think, hard. So, do you need once more to listen?
استاد مشکل لیسنینگ نیست، فهمیدیم اونو، ولی خب پیدا کردنش تو این تصویر خیلی سخته، اصلا دیده نمیشه خوب.
چیکار کنیم؟ عکسشو بفرستم داخل گروه گوشیاتون باز کنیم؟ یا میخواین اینو خودتون بعد انجام بدین؟ پس اینو انجام بدین خودتون و بعد بگین که
اصلا صفحه چندی؟
صفحه 79.
79.
اوکی. سو بعد همینو با حالا نمیدونم چیکار میکنیم، اینو داخل گوشیاتون باز بکنین، هر جوری هست یه جوری اینو داشته باشین. بعد گفته که work with a partner، بازم با پارتنرتون صحبت بکنین. have similar conversation، همینجوری که یارو داشت دایرکشن میداد شما هم باید همینجوری صحبت بکنین. ask about a pub, a campsite, football stadium, a bank, a chemist, an Italian restaurant. So for example, you ask like this: excuse me, is there a football stadium near here? یه ورزشگاه فوتبالی نزدیکی ها هست؟ Yes. از همین پایین شروع میکنین، میگه که حالا go straight مستقیم میری till Sundown Road. You turn left. مثلا دارم میگم وگرنه استادیوم فوتبال استادیوم این بره. Okay. So you go straight on High Street until Sundown Road. You turn right and it is on your right. It is, for example, opposite of fish and chip shop. برعکس روبروی fish and chip shop هست. You can say like this. Okay. The next one, talking about you. اینا رو باز حالا فردا بازم با هم ازتون میپرسم و شما جواب بدین، ولی با هم دیگه صحبت بکنید حتما. Talking about you with your partner, ask for and give direction to places in your town. How do I get to the station? یا میتونید بازم در مورد همین عکس صحبت بکنین، یا میتونید کلا مثلا اگه بپرسید که من اگه داخل شهرتون اومدم استیشن کجاست، ایستگاه اتوبوس قطار کجاست، شما باید بگین که مثلا اینجا هست، روبروی اینه و توضیح بدین بهش. بعد the next one, so for example, go out of the school, turn right. از مدرسه میری بیرون سمت راست، مستقیم میری اینور اونور. Is it far? خیلی دوره. About 10 minutes. 10 دقیقه طول میکشه. It takes 10 minutes to arrive there. 10 دقیقه طول میکشه تا اونجا برسی. Like this you can ask and answer. Okay. grammar reference چیزایی که تو این یونیت خوندیم، تو این بخش خوندیم. There is, there are. So we can tell us positive sentence with there is, there are. There is a sofa in the living room. And also you can make it shorter with saying there is, or there is, there's, or there is. There are 2 bedrooms in my house. So it is the plural form of there is. There is singular, there are plural. You can also make it negative with putting just not after is. There is not a TV, or there isn't a TV. For plural also, so you just put not after the are. There are not any photos, or there aren't any photos. When you want to ask question with there is, there are, you just put to be verbs at the beginning of the sentence. Is there a TV in the kitchen? Are there any magazines on the table? How many lamps are there? But with the WH question comes first, comes before the are there, or before the to be verb. And when you ask with the how many, you should say the name of the things after the WH question. وقتی هم با how many میپرسی همیشه اسم باید بعد از how many بیاد. How many lamps, how many cars, how many bags, how many computers, like that. Okay, if you want to answer the question for the there are or there is with short answers, اگر میخوای که جوابشو با جواب کوتاه بدی به there are or there is, you can say yes there is, or no there isn't. For singular, is there a TV in the bedroom? Yes there is, or no there isn't. If it is plural, you have to use there are. Yes there are, no there aren't. Are there any photos on the wall? Yes there are, no there aren't. شورت انسر هم اکثرا دیگه مخفف گفته میشن دیگه. No there is not یکم جالب نیست چون قرار شورت بگی. Okay, the next part that we studied in this unit was about prepositions, حروف اضافه. In, on, under, next to. In داخل چیزی، on روی چیزی، under زیر چیزی، next to کنار چیزی. Okay. The credit cards are in the drawer. کارت‌های اعتباری داخل کشو هستن. There is a lamp on the bedside table. There is a lamp. یه دونه چراغ هست روی میز کنار تخت به نظر میاد، میز کناری. beside table همون میزی که کنار تخته بهش میگن. I think. Under the trainers are under the bed. Who can tell me what does trainers means? معنی trainers چیه؟
کفشای ورزشی استاد؟
Really good, that's good, yeah. So the trainers are under the bed. Next to, there are some photos next to the books. So I think you understand all of them here. The next one, Sam and Annie. What is the usage of Sam and Annie? موارد استفاده سم و انی چیه؟ We use Sam in positive sentences, but we use Annie in questions and negative sentences. For example, there are some books. And does he have any photos? There aren't any lamps. پس فرقشون الان دیگه بلدیم دیگه. نیاز نیست به فارسی بگم. Okay. See 12.2 on page 120 for more information on Sam and Annie. اگر اطلاعات بیشتری خواستین صفحه 120 بخش 12.2 میتونین که ببینید. Okay, and we have also word list here. You see the words. For example, if I ask one of them, cosmopolitan, what does it mean?
بین المللی.
Really good. Fabulous.
خیلی عالی گفتید فکر می‌کنم استاد.
آره دیگه فوق العاده.
آره
فوق العاده تر از فوق العاده دیگه خیلی عالی رو میگن.
استاد میشه دوباره تلفظش کنی؟
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Fabulous?
Fabulous. Yeah.
Okay.
Fabulous. اینجوری که اینجا نوشته. حالا باز یه روز باید اینا رو با هم بخونیم یاد بگیریم. فونتیکا رو. Okay. Anything else? Huge. Huge. What does it mean?
بزرگ.
No, that's not means big. It's really big. Really big. It's huge.
خیلی بزرگ.
خیلی بزرگ. Okay. Next one. Souvenir shop.
مغازه سوغاتی گفتیم.
Thank you. Tidy.
تمیز مرتب.
تمیز.
Tiny.
تایدی مرتب نمیشه؟
Tiny.
این میشه کوچیک. خیلی ریز. خیلی کوچیک.
Very small. دیگه در حد سر سوزن رو تایید میگم. Thank you. Wine یاردم که همون دیگه بلد نیستینم بهتر نداریم. Okay, next. Chapter Pastimes. Chapter 9. What we are going to study here? What will we learn here? Grammar is about past simple, was, were, just these two verbs. So they are to be verbs, but in past tense. And also we would learn irregular verbs. أفعال بقاعده. We will learn about the vocabularies, about saying years, در مورد سالها. And also common verbs, فعلهای معمولی یا پر استفاده. Have, do, go. And also everyday English is about months and dates. And also reading is about a lottery ticket. Okay. When was he born? When was he born? کی به دنیا آمده. Listen and repeat. So let's listen how do they say the dates or the years in English language.
9.1. What year is it?
1840. 1996. 2005 2017
دارن جرزنی میکنن. اوکی. دوتا میخونن. As you see 1840. So it is really easy to say. So it's really complicated if you want to say completely 1840. So because it is more easier to say 1840, they just read it 2 by 2. The next one 1996. But because here I don't know why did they say like that. If it is just 2005, 4 or anything else, they read it completely 25. If they say 25, so it doesn't shows the correct year of the date. اگه بگن حالا همون 25 که حالا اینجوری میگن 2017 دیگه اینجوری 25 شنیده میشه، نه 2025 فهمیده نمیشه. به این خاطر هست که حالا اینا میگن 2005 2005 2005. Okay. And also after 2010 they say 2010, 2011, 2012 or 2017. The next one, listen and underline the years you hear. گوش میکنین و ببینین که کدوم اینها رو گفته.
9.2 1. 1696 2. 1916 3. 2004 4. 1799 5. 1945 6. 2017 9.3
Okay, so the first one, خانم اسما. Thank you. خانم اسما, which one is correct?
1696.
1696, the first one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. خانم عاطفه میخواین جواب بدین؟ خانم حسیبا.
دومی 1960.
1960. So who agree with this? It is the second one or the first one?
First one.
خانم مهری میگن first one.
16 مگه نبود استاد؟
I don't know. So I'm asking you. Anybody else? کسی دیگه؟ So which one? خانم سارا، یلدا، کدوم انتخاب کردین؟ اولی دومی؟
دومی استاد.
Okay. So let's listen again.
Steve Jobs 9.2 1. 1696 2. 1916
1916. پس منم درست نشده بودم. Okay. The third one. خانم مهری.
2000 بکنم 15 4 بود، اشتباه نمیدونم اینو یادم نمیاد.
وقتی 2000 میگی گفتیم چی میشه؟ 2000 بشه؟
اولی the first one is correct.
Okay, that's good. 2000 که مطمئنیم 2000 گفتیم. با 2014
yes.
اشتباه میاد. 2004 گفتش. پس اولی درسته. بعدی the next one number 4. خانم سارا میتونیم صحبت بکنیم؟
استاد میشه من یک چند دقیقه مایکتون باز نکنم؟
Sure. خانم یلدا.
1799.
1799. That's correct. خانم اسما دوباره.
18 1814.
1840. اما درست بود یا نه؟ بپرسیم از بقیه. اولی یا دومی خانم اسما؟
اولی استاد.
خانم اسما میگن اولی. How about the others? کی نظرش مخالفه؟
دومی رو گفت.
خانم حسین دومی رو میگن؟ 45. کسی دیگه؟ Anybody else have another opinion? Okay,
The second one.
Second one. خانم مهریم second one.
3. 2004. 4. 1799.
5.
1945.
1945. Okay. خانم حسیبا, the last one.
2017.
2017. Is it correct? Okay, so I also write down 2017, but it's not really important. Okay, grammar. Where was or were born. با فعل born که به دنیا اومدن میشه ما to be verb استفاده میکنیم. او به دنیا اومد یا he was born, I was born, you were born. تو به دنیا اومدی. Okay, look at the photos. Do you know the people? When were they born? کی به دنیا اومدن؟ آیا اینا رو میشناسی و بگین که کی به دنیا اومدن؟ We have here Steve Jobs, Amy Winehouse. You have to write the birth date, birth year of these two persons. Steve Jobs, the inventor of Apple computers, was born in San Francisco, California. Amy Winehouse, English singer and songwriter, was born in London, England. اینو که نمیشناسم ولی استیو جابز رو اکثرا میشناسم.
9.3. Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs, the inventor of Apple computers, was born in 1955 in San Francisco, California.
Amy Winehouse.
Amy Winehouse, English singer and songwriter, was born in 1983 in London, England.
Okay, who can tell me the birth year of the Steve Jobs?
1955.
1945.
1945, 1955. دیگه؟
55.
1915.
1955.
1955. Okay. بعدی the next one, Amy Winehouse. When was she born?
1993.
Okay. همه به نظرم اینو درست گفتن. 1983 و آقای استیو جابز هم باز گوش بکنیم که
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs, the inventor of Apple computers, was born in 1955 in San Francisco, California.
Amy Winehouse.
Amy Winehouse, English singer and songwriter, was born in 1983.
1983. Okay.
استاد معنی سانگور چی میشه؟
Songwriter.
Songwriter.
Songwriter. Writer میشه نویسنده. song آهنگ. نویسنده
اوکی.
آهنگ.
آهنگ.
inventor چی میشه؟
سازنده، مخترع.
Yeah, good. Really cool. Listen and repeat. He was an inventor. He was born in. She was a singer and songwriter. She was born in. Listen and repeat. So چه نیازی به repeat کردن هست؟ اوکی. خانم اسما بگین مال استیو جابز رو بخونین و بگین کدوم سال؟
از اولش بخونم استاد؟
همین آره بخونین از اول.
Steve Jobs, the inventor of Apple computers, was born in یادم رفت استاد.
1955.
Yeah, 1955 in San Francisco, California.
Good. خانم یلدا امی وینستون in Winehouse.
Amy Winehouse, English singer and songwriter, was born in 1984 گفت.
1983.
83 in London, England.
England. Thank you. Good. Ask and answer questions with other students. How old are you? When were you born? چند ساله هستی؟ کی به دنیا اومدی؟ بعد میتونید که حالا بپرسین when was he born یا اسمشو بگین when was for example Steve Jobs born, when was she born, when were they born که اونها کی به دنیا اومدن. اینها رو هم گفتن که با هم دیگه تمرین بکنیم. اینها هم بخش اسپیکینگتون باشه. اوکی. grammar spot. grammar spot چقدر وقت داریم؟ اینش باشه پس برای اینش باشه برای فردا. بنظرم برای امروز کافیه. Do you have any question? Is there any word that you don't know?
Yes استاد. تکالیفمون غیر از اون صفحه